Hi, welcome back. It's Euro 24 in the UK this month, so I'm sticking with my match day munch theme. So your mates are coming round for a few beers and watch the game. What are they going to want to eat? Chili dogs, of course. Let's start by making the chilli. Add some rapeseed oil to the pan, and when it's hot, add a finely chopped onion and a clove of crushed garlic. Give them a good stir and let them fry down for a bit and get a bit of colour. When the onions have got some colour, add 150 grams of chopped bacon and let it fry for a while. Then add 500 grams of lean minced beef and stir it down as fine as you can. Now I have to say at this point that we're not making a traditional chili con carne here. We're making a dry chili beef, which is completely different. If you want to use chili con carne, you can, but I think it makes the dogs too sloppy. So when you've got your beef mince stirred down nice and fine, it's time to start adding some ingredients. We've got half a teaspoon of chili powder, or more if you like it hotter, a pinch of salt, 250 ml of passata or tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of American mustard, look at that, 1 tablespoon of chipotle paste, and a splash of Worcester sauce or Worcestershire sauce or wash your sister sauce, whatever you want to call it, and then give it a good stir. Then we're going to add half a cup of beer. If you've got any more beer left in the bottle, make sure you drink it. Stir well and leave to simmer for about 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes is up, check the consistency. The beef should be a dryish consistency and not too sloppy. So when you're happy with the consistency, remove from the grill and put aside. So then it's time to throw on some dogs. I'm only doing 4 today, but there'll be enough beef mince to do much more than that. Then get them over the hot coals, get your rolls nicely toasted, and then it's time to start building. Oh, they're gonna love this. So take your dogs to the table, get your bread ready, nice and open, and then it's time to get the dogs in. When you get your dogs in, get your chilli, and then add a nice good lump of chilli all over the dogs. Spread it over, get it all in between the bread. Why would you not want this on match day? Just look at it. So when you get your chilli on, get it all nicely on there. Get yourself some grated Monterey Jack cheese or some grated cheddar and get that sprinkled all over the top there. Nice and generous. Just spread it all over. And then top it off with some nice chopped green onions. This is what they want. So what a great way to spend your day. Get your mates round, chili dogs and beer. Thanks for watching.